Alright, we're going to do a review here right now. It's a review of a homemade beer, a home brew. Brewed by Jake, brewed by me. And, well, I'd like to, what I'd like to do is introduce you to my H.O.R. I mean my beer, my Honey Oat Red Ale. Well, I got one here in a garage bottle, so we're going to see how this fares. I put it in the fridge earlier today, so I gave it a couple hours to chill. What the heck? Let's get on with it and see what happened. I did try a little bit of after I bottled it, because we always do that, don't we? Don't we always do that? Don't we always try it after we bottle it, even though it's flat? But it didn't taste too bad, and actually there was some hops coming through, so let's see what happens. 2 weeks later, 2 weeks in the bottle fermentation. Let's see what happens here. Are we ready for this? Or are we ready for the pop? Let's see if we can get a pop out of this. I don't think there's a whole ton of carbonation, a whole ton of pressure, but no. Oh, there was a little psst. I wasn't expecting it to go boom, but what the hell. Here we go. Let's see what this red ale looks like here now. Let's see if I'm still capable of doing this now. Ah, look at that. Oh, look at that. Mm-hmm. Honey Road. There it is. There's what she looks like in the glass. Look at that. Not bad. Not bad. A little bit darker looking on the camera. Well, on the webcam. I'm not sure about the GoPro, but there she is. There she is. She didn't clear up real super good. There's just chill haze too, so there's a little bit of that. Well, it's a little bit cloudy, but it looks fine to me, buddy. See, look at that. See, look at that. Look. See, look. Now look at that. See. Let's turn that one down a bit there. It looks all right. Okay, so it looks like beer. What the heck, eh? What the heck? Let's give it a sniff. Let's see if I can get some aroma here. There's a tiny... Yeah, I got a hop aroma. A little bit of a hop aroma. My hops were a year old. Keep in mind that this damn thing sat in my fridge for 1 year. Almost exactly 1 year. My bad. My bad. And the hops sat in my freezer for 1 year. So this is 1 year old hops in beer, brewed in beer. And there still is a bit of a hop aroma. There's a little bit of a hop aroma. I can smell them. I can smell them. Citra hops and Amarillo hops. Let's go for the taste. Cheers. Hey, not bad. Not bad. What the hell? Well, there you go. This is a testament. This will be a testament for all you home brewers out there. This is 1 year old ingredients. Set in my fridge for 1 year. The extract. This is an extract ale, an extract beer, and it's just red ale extract with probably about 1 cup of oats that I had kicking in. The oats were in my fridge for a long time too. They were in a butter container in my fridge for about 3 years. Wow. And I decided, since I had a bunch of honey, a big jug of honey from Costco, I said, why not just throw 1 cup of honey into it? So I throw 1 cup of honey into it, and 2 ounces of hops, 1 ounce of Citra hops, 1 ounce of Amarillo hops, and you know what? It turned out. It turned out. Damn, it turned out. It did. It actually turned out. This is one of the better ones. Look, it's lacing too. It's lacing. Does that make you happy? Yeah, this makes me happy. Hey, there you go. So the next time I brew this one up, I'm gonna get more oats. I'm gonna do it again, like oats and honey with the red ale and hops. But I'm gonna do more. I'm gonna add more oats this time. Like there wasn't if you've seen the brewing video I put on YouTube, there wasn't a lot of oats. It was only like 1 cup of oats or something. There wasn't very many. So I'll probably do a little bit more oats And I'll do a little bit more than 1 cup of honey, maybe a cup and a half or 2 cups, something like that. Don't add more. That turned out all right. It turned out. Wow. How the hell? I'm a little bit like beside myself on hops that sat in my freezer for 1 year, and you can still taste the hops. You can still taste them. Like I can still taste a pretty bit of hoppiness. If I was to take a wild guess on the IBUs on this thing, not that I know how to rate IBUs properly, but I would say, I'd say around 30. It's around 30 IBUs, like lightly hopped. It's not heavy, but that's not bad. Turned out good. I can drink it, and there's probably like no cideriness, like zero cideriness, zero. Cool. Cheers, everybody. Thanks for watching. Hey, it's too bad I haven't got very much of it though. I ended up only getting about. Probably not even 4 liters, maybe 3.5 liters. You know what I mean? Not very much in there, but I'm gonna brew it again, so that's fine. So we'll do this up again. Thanks for hanging out. Thanks for checking out my H.O.R ale, my Honey Oat Red Ale. And see you in the next brewing video. Hey, cheers. Take care. Keep your legs full and all that fun stuff. This is good.